Have you ever wondered how plants transport nutrients and water? It's all thanks to an unsung hero of plant life, the stem. This seemingly simple structure does a lot more than just hold up the leaves and flowers. Picture the stem as the plant's highway, a bustling transportation hub where the essential nutrients and water are carried from the roots to the rest of the plant. Imagine the stem as a busy city street, where water and nutrients are like cars, constantly on the move, delivering their precious cargo to where it's needed most. This life-giving traffic flows up from the roots, through the stem, and out to the leaves, flowers, and fruits. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just standing tall because of its stem, it's thriving because the stem is tirelessly working, transporting, and delivering. So, the stem isn't just a stick holding up the leaves, it's a vital component for plant survival. But how does the stem do all these things? Let's delve into the structure of a stem. A stem is not just a simple stick that holds the plant up. It's a complex system of different parts, each carrying out a specific role. Firstly, we have the epidermis, the outermost layer of the stem. Its job is to protect the stem from external threats, acting like a skin. Just beneath the epidermis, we find the cortex. The cortex is a group of cells that store food and water for the plant, a bit like our own bodies storing energy in fat cells. Next, we come to the cambium. The cambium is the stem's growth sector, producing new cells for growth. It's like the plant's very own production factory. Now, let's talk about the xylem and the phloem, the two most critical parts of the stem. The xylem, like a series of microscopic pipes, transports water and minerals from the roots to the other parts of the plant. It's like the plant's plumbing system. The phloem, on the other hand, moves sugars and other nutrients made in the leaves to the rest of the plant, acting as the plant's delivery service. In summary, each part of the stem has a vital role, from protection to growth and from storage to transportation. It's the cooperation of these parts that keep our plants upright and nourished. Now that we understand the structure, it's time to explore the functions of a stem. A stem might seem like a simple stick, but it's a multitasker with a triple role: support, storage, and transport. Let's break these down. First up, support. The stem is the backbone of the plant, holding up the leaves, flowers, and fruits towards the sun, the source of their energy. It's a sturdy structure that ensures the plant's survival and growth, even in challenging conditions. Next, we have storage. Stems are a plant's pantry. They store essential nutrients, which come in handy during periods of dormancy or when the plant is under stress. Some stems, like those of potatoes and onions, are modified specifically for storage, bulking up to hold a surplus of nutrients. Finally, let's talk about transport. Stems are the highways of the plant world. They transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the rest of the plant, carrying them upwards against gravity. But that's not all. They also transport the sugars produced by photosynthesis in the leaves to other parts of the plant, nourishing it and helping it to grow. So when you look at a stem, don't just see a stick, see a support system, a storage unit, and a transport system. A stem is not just a stick, it's a storage unit, a transport system, and a support system all rolled into one. But nature always has a few tricks up its sleeve, doesn't it? Let's talk about stem modifications. You see, not all stems are created equal. In the vast world of plants, the stem often has to wear many hats, or rather, shapes and sizes. Some stems modify themselves into thorns, providing the plant with a nifty defense mechanism against predators. Others morph into tendrils, enabling the plant to climb and reach for the sunlight. And then there are those like the cacti, whose stems have evolved into water storage units to survive in arid conditions. Each modification is a testament to nature's ingenuity, its incredible ability to adapt and thrive. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just about the flowers and the leaves. Beneath the surface, a complex network of modified stems is hard at work. So there you have it, the The stem, a multifaceted component integral to a plant's survival. Next time you see a plant, you'll know there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.